Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make snow in Blender. In this tutorial, I want to add the text first. Go to Add, Text, and we can close up to view it. And I switch it to Edit mode, and we can edit the text. I type snow and go back to Object mode. And I want to rotate in X-axis to make it upward. Now I close this panel. And then we can make it. Let us go to the object data properties and go to geometry. We can use extrude, increase it to make it thick. Also, we can make the bevel. I increase the depth to make it round edge. Now I convert the text to mesh. If we want to add snow on the 3D object, we can activate an add-ons first. This is free. We can go to Edit, Preferences, and go to Add-ons. And we can search real snow and then check the box to activate. I close this window and we can go to the properties panel and we can find the real snow tab. I announce the panel and then we can click the add snow to create snow. Then the snow is added. If you want to reduce the snow, press Ctrl Z to undo it first, and then I reduce the coverage to 75%, and I reduce the thickness of snow to 0.1, and then we can add snow. So we can see that there is less snow and the thickness of the snow is reduced. But we can see that there's some snow inside the latex. If we want to add the snow on the top faces only, I press Ctrl Z to undo it first, and then go to Edit mode. I go to the top view and use the slash circle to slash the top faces. Okay, and then go to the object mode. Remember to check the box selected faces, and then I will use 90% and add snow. So the snow is added on the top faces only. Now we can switch to material properties. The snow material is added, so we can go to the render properties and switch to render engine. I will use Cycle. So we can go to render preview. This is two dots. We can set the render scene. So this is how we can make snow in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.